whispers carried on the breeze, a tender hum of the earth it sings, the quiet joy that the morning brings. Dancing shadows on the forest floor, a world so still yet longing for more. Each leaf alive in a glowing trance, caught in the sunlight's fleeting dance. Whisper of sunlight softly calls, breaking the silence.